I'm Micah.
I'm Colin.
And today we are going to show you how to make this Lego dresser, money bank, whatever you want to call it. I have money in here. Not very much. Okay.
Look at all the Legos we have. Also, if we need some extra pieces. What probably won't be happening.
So these ones are really hard to put together. So it has 3 layers right here, and then you need to put 7 across. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 across this way. Okay, let's get building. This is all you need. So what we're going to do first is use these. Okay, here. Okay, yeah, that is a 2x1 flat piece.
Tile kind of thing.
Okay, thank you.
You need 2 of them. On the edge right there. 4 of them.
Right there. And I just have a big one that I okay.
That's
I
just
have
like one of those 2x4 flat tiles.
So you always want to make it one away, so you can put like these blocks like right here without running into those. So that will be a huge problem while you're building. Okay, here, let me find that right here. Okay.
How many pieces is that?
That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
This is 6x1 flat tile.
Okay.
That's a 4x1.
Oh, I put that on. Gotta get it off.
Eating the Legos.
They taste delicious. They taste like little children.
That's always put it. He's swapping it away.
Okay, so
you
I'm
put
gonna...
it.
Wait, you tasted little kids? No. Oh. Then I put one here.
Horror monster.
Okay, Colin, please stop. Okay, I'll just steal these. Oh, that works too. Actually, no, it doesn't. Okay, now just tore off all of them. So I did them wrong, so I'm going to put this 4x1 flat tile piece right here. Instead of putting them like this on every single one, I put one like this. Then you put one right here, and one right there. Then there's your base for your drawer to slide on. Okay, now you just build this up with whatever Lego bricks you want.
You've got all these flatter ones, like it's just one across.
Okay, so this is how many layers you want. You want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now you use these. So go like this. Put this on right here.
He only has these 2. This is a 14x6.
So we'll go on. This piece. And this will keep it from this. Like if you wanted to put something on top of it, like another type of Lego.
It has these on top so it can go on easily.
Yep. And this is to support it from going into the top of the drawer. So we go like this. As you see, there's a big gap right here. So we just fill it in.
Colin's finding him some more Legos over there.
You know what? I'll just go like this. Put that back. And back. And I'll put it on the front right there.
You can just easily build on the back.
Yep.
I guess you would need more like a 14x7.
So
that's all he has.
So last night I built one of these, and I just decided to make a YouTube video about it. Well, my sister did. She came up with the idea. Okay.
This is what the inside of it looks like. Put you guys in it. how does it feel to go inside of a Lego drawer?
Oh, and there's driver's. What do you call it? Those.
That's supposed. He's just using what he has.
Okay, I have two more. Oh, so I'll put this here.
He's just swapping stuff.
So I finished it and it looks really good. Okay, now we're swapping over to Colin. So this is a 4x12, no, a 6x12. And now we're just gonna... So he put like one block here, then he puts this on.
Yep. He's building a drawer.
Start building the outside.
Start building up like Micah did with this.
Or is it? He needs it. Okay, so this is it. So this is the important piece of them all.
The important piece.
Important, yes.
The most important piece.
Because it holds the thingy.
It's the handle.
The handle, yes. Okay. Put it in. Does it fit? Let's see. It fits.
It fits. Oh, it's so magical.
Okay, where's that? Look how many pieces we have left.
Those are the pieces they have left that they thought they needed. And here it is.
And that is a heart. Money! Just so you know, that is not all my money. And that is a heart.
Oh, he made a heart with the Legos. So this is their finished product.
It opens, it closes, and it opens again, and it closes again.
Do you guys want to go inside of their Lego drawer? Okay, you're in there, and he shut it. Well, almost shut it.
It's not that big.
Yep. Well, here it is.
Here, look at the side of this big one.
Colin made this, or was it you that made it? He made this the other day. We're gonna put you up. That's not gonna go. Here, you can just stick the camera inside of there, hopefully. Oh, nope. It's right on the outside of it.
You can't fit.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
But for some reason, that one.
You guys tell us in the comments if you want us to make one that is big enough for us to fit the camera inside, and you can go inside of a Lego drawer.
And we will make it as big as this.
Big enough for the camera to fit in, and we will make it as big as this.
Let's check.
Let's see how big it is. Oh, yep, the camera will be able to fit in it.
Barely, though.
Barely. I don't know. Hopefully it will.
We could build it out of this.
Tell us, do you want it to be
want
the,
it to be
like
as big
the
as this.
100 by 100 or the, I don't know, 20 by 20 block over there? Tell us in the comments below.
Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. 16 by 16.
And that's probably
Give us a thumbs up. Yeah. Give us a thumbs up.
And he's gonna count. That'll be a minute.
This is surprisingly a 32.
By 30.
By 30. Yep.
And it looks a lot bigger than that. I thought it was like 100. Whoa. I thought it was like 100 by 100. So, anyways, check out MK Dag Fam's channel. They did something similar to this, except they just
Smaller.
like much smaller, and it was different than this. I don't know what it was called, but it was like a pull-out slide machine. That held, it was pretty cool. So check out their channel and comment down below. Give us a thumbs up.
It broke the heart.
And please, 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 please subscribe.
It has a broken heart.
Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.